for you, Vietnam, by Bullet for My Valentine. Here we go, what's up? You know even near me, but everywhere I go, I feel you. Can you feel me? Why can't I just forget you? I wanna share my skin to remove. Can you hear me? Now I'm giving up and never looking back. Here we go again. You keep giving me a taste of your down. You know I'm never looking back. Here we go again. I don't want another taste of your down. How dare you play your big things? Distort you nice, they say right through, right through. But still you keep me captive and make me feel like I deserve you. But I let go, let go. Now I'm giving up and never looking back. Here we go again. You keep giving me a taste of your down. You know I'm never looking back. Here we go again. I don't want another taste of your down. I feel that asphyxiated. It's more than I can take, but nothing really changes. In the end, don't worry yourself forgetting. You gone lost your way, but nothing really changes. In the Pasukan natin siya ng Bakit Ngayon Ka Lang by One Dogs. Check. Here we go. What's up for you again? What's up for you? What's up for us? Before ending, as I would like to say, Pem hooray! Ang pem na mabango, ang pem na walang amoy, ang pem na inamo. Ang pem na nakawalan iba ko diyan, pem hooray! Tara kape, kain pem. Napakagulo ng mundo, binabagin na lamang ang lahat ng traffic, pumunta pa naman, tumakas sa ganito, sa ganyan. Ang dami din na kaya bakit ngayon ka lang? Matik. Sana kahit sometimes. I wish sometimes. Sana kahit minsan. Sana I wish that every sometimes. Basta ganun. Alright. Yeah, what's up, Innocent One? Go, Innocent One.
And I'm Blinksy1.
Yo,
Calling to Gista. Yeah.
Yo, holding
On the beat.
Yo,
Bro, with a big voice. 107. Alam mo ba na kahit sino ka pa at ano pa man ang sabihin nila, di pa rin maalis. Pag suyong ko'y tamis, sa'yo lang nilalaan. Lahat ay gumagaan, ulap sa kalangitan ay aking naabot. Ikaw na bakit pa tumitibok at nagagawa ipaglaban ang pag-ibig ko? May dahilan pala kung bakit ako narito. Huwag ka nang mangangamba, di ka na muling iiwan pa, di ka na muling mag-iisa, di ka na muling luluha pa. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lumigaya ka. Di naman kailangan pakinggan sinasabi ng ibang at inanais lang tayo mapag-iwalay. Hawak ka sa aking kamay, pag-ibig kang magpapatibay. Ano mang mangyari, hindi kita mababayaan, hindi kita sasaktan. Lagi mong tatandaan sa mata ng Diyos, tayong dalawa ay iisa. Walang sino mang makakapigil sa nadarama. Ikaw ay ako ay ikaw. Ikaw at ako laban sa buong mundo. Huwag ka nang magtataka kung bakit ba inibig kita ng ganito. Sa'yo naging masaya, kaya muling nabuo ang puso kong nagdurog dati at pira-piraso. Sabay malaman mo
Sino ka